Oh, Donald Trump ba hian in thumak tak mai alo chak chuak le ni World Cup chungchang a hian ei World Cup he zo to dona zaina England le France te chuan tu zana Argentina versus Spain ei kheloni a zo to dona amaro zu Trump ba hian in engmani thumak tak controversial tak ro chak chuak le that mai.
Now, right before the tournament nears its conclusion, U.S. President Donald Trump has told FIFA officials that they should pick the United States to host another World Cup while leaving.
Kaban lau cup mai Trump ba hian in United States te hi FIFA hian in World Cup dang host le turin an thang tur ani ama ero chu aron tia ta tak hian ama ero chu khian aron ti mak zual ani
Co-host and co-host Canada and Mexico out.
Tuna chuanin US Canada le Mexico ten naram pathumin FIFA World Cup 2016 host ani hi Trump chuanin FIFA te hian in US hi host le se ma se Mexico te le Canada hi chu telve to su se aron ti na ani pui thin khop mai ani hi chu boy thak.
Well, speaking at reception at Trump Tower in New York City ahead of Sunday's final between Spain and Argentina, Trump and FIFA President Gianni Infantino praised one another as they
Trump le Infantino te hi anin fak dun vel khop mai ni Trump Tower ang mani ting hianin meeting poi mo te om tur ani ta hin FIFA President hi lo vo om ve mitam takin abigin UEFA ram chen khat te phei chuanin mo Europe ram chen khat te phei chuanin FIFA President Infantino he an ngai na vak to lo emani chu oti thei tur hianin new sim hu tur om le thina nakina aron chianga a chan chu politics ain ro tir na sal tuk tin mitam tak hianin FIFA President hi an soi sel ani hei tu na po Trump ne hianin an lo hudun le ta boxi a boy la khop mai.
They hailed the 2026 FIFA World Cup as a success. While Trump also recounted an alleged conversation he had with Infantino and other FIFA officials in which he lobbied the U.S. to solely host the 2034 World Cup, to which Infantino responded by supposedly suggesting a joint U.S.-China bid.
Trump chuanin kum sang ni som thum pali a hianin United States hianin ama in host le ro se ti ha du da ni ama ro chu FIFA President Infantino hianin US le China te hostir tum de ti na nge US and China bit what the Infantino suggested joint China and US bid for World Cup nge omzia United States tele China hian an host dun don ti na nge pui don ve 2034 World Cup tu pathian sara kan dam thleng tura nga ila chuanin Trump le Infantino hianin kumin World Cup FIFA World Cup 2026 World Cup lo tling takani tin an comment bok ane.
I suggested that this has been so successful that, and I'm really working these people hard because they really call the shot. They tell Johnny exactly what to do. I say what we should do is you should choose the United States of America again. This time we'll leave Mexico and Canada out. But Johnny also had another idea. He said we could do it China and the United States for next time. We do them China, United States, so you have a nice short flight in between games, you know.
At common dollar ve US le China hi mo kum sang thi som thum pali World Cup han host vai se chu anh tin nge player te an dam khu chuang ram zong ti khan an flight man tur zong nen a hau tak ve viawang ka chu thil thei ni in ka thelo an ti hlotin po ka ring chuang lo amaro chu an idea pakhata o manga thil ti thei ni chu ka ring chi lo ni zep lo chuan mo ti chuan Trump patele hey FIFA President Gianni Infantino te an in kom ngai chho ta riau maya engamoni an in kara te po hi din a om ti la hey politically in tieng te po hi a om thei anga ngai hi a om thei ngai thei tur hian mi tam tak po hian in an ron soi he ani hei to apa mu da an lim dun khop maya.
The FIFA chief deemed the World Cup a success, lauding President Donald Trump for his role in the event and saying the tournament achieved its mission of uniting people from all corners of the globe. He described the tournament as the American dream brought to life.
This World Cup would not have been such an incredible success without you. Please. Your administration, every single person in the White House, in the administration, in the cities, in the states, everywhere contributed to create this safe and secure and joyful environment to live something that the world has never seen.
Infantino zo ni drop hi fak rem rem khop mai ni I ho nan noya tiang hian in world cup plot ting tak kan nei ni tin Trump hi a fak khop mai tiang hian in mi zong zong te kut te ben tir vela ni ho han round of applause ten nei vela.
This has not just been and is not just the greatest World Cup of all times. It is the greatest human, social and cultural event that mankind has ever witnessed and seen.
2026 FIFA President here in greatest World Cup of all time. Ani, atiani. Zumi may baka zuanin ati nga human, cultural, social event of all time ani. Ati boko ni. Greatest World Cup of all time. Ani in ringem kumin World Cup 2026. Enge in nga idan hi FIFA President nga idan niya ti heron sa hima umaya.
Earlier this month, the U.S. president said he spoke with Infantino to ask for a reversal of a red card suspension to U.S. soccer star Florian Balogun. The incident had triggered a controversy, reflecting his close ties to the FIFA president. After Trump's call, FIFA allegedly followed suit and allowed Balogun to play in the following match against Belgium.
Katakania, mitam tagina soisen sat Trump kanin FIFA president ka call ringota katinga FIFA president na call nu kan. FIFA updates on in US striker red card and pek and red card and pek one suspend suspension cancel ya in Trump FIFA president Gianni Infantino te in naizia in close zia aron tilang chiang view ne.
However, the US soccer team was eliminated in a 4-1 loss to Belgium. The 2026 World Cup concludes on Sunday at MetLife Stadium in East Rutherford, New Jersey. Trump said he would be present for the final match between Spain and Argentina.
Trump po lotel ve ngai Spain and Argentina ting khel tura hian mo.
The 2030 World Cup, which was announced nearly 3 years ago, would be hosted jointly by Spain, Portugal and Morocco.
2030 World Cup dot le to Spain, Portugal le Morocco ten and host don ani. Portugal host na Cristiano Ronaldo te khele mai ngem hey World Cup zo hian in international football chang hian in a retire don ti thom ha ring khop ma ma ro chu Jorge tuing ha and Portugal coach thar kha Jorge ani lo Jorge lam thiam wa har ta ve Portugal han coach thar an ne ya Portugal coach thar ma hian in Ronaldo hi Euro Nations League te kha chu aron khelle mai rin no mani chu ma chuanin adeng hadin hun ani Trump thu controversial deuh hi an riek le chak khrim khima an ron riek le ani video lai mulai thep do ne